chicken is a round, lumpy dish with sweet sauce that is spicy when left in your mouth. It has a kick to it when it's hot. The orange chicken sauce is made from orange juice, vinegar, garlic, sugar, soy sauce, ginger, and red chili flakes. Its cider spicy flavors and orange coatings. Orange chicken was first created in 1987 by executive chef for Panda Express named Andy Co. Over the years after orange chicken became popular, many orange chicken copycats have appeared. One copycat is called sweet and sour chicken, which is mainly made by families. The reason I like this food is because it connects me to a culture that I don't even get to know about in class. Nothing makes me feel better than ordering orange chicken on a Sunday with my mom.